Hello students, very good morning to all of you. This is my seventh lecture of chapter 2. Chapter 2 is acids, bases and salts for class 10 chemistry. Now in this video I am going to discuss sodium hydroxide. Common name of sodium hydroxide is caustic soda, and chemical formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH, and chemical name of NaOH is sodium hydroxide. Now preparation of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is produced, or you can say prepared, by the electrolysis of a concentrated aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Means when aqueous solution of sodium chloride, means when electricity is passing through aqueous solution of sodium chloride, then it splits into sodium hydroxide, chlorine gas and H2 gas. So in this way we can prepare sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is also called caustic soda because it is caustic in nature. It gives burning. It has burning tendency. Now usage of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is used for making soaps and detergents. All kinds of soaps and detergent are made from sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide is raw material for making soaps and detergents. Now sodium hydroxide is used for making artificial textile fibers such as rayon. Means sodium hydroxide is also used for making artificial textile fibers like rayon. And third usage of sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of paper. Now usage of chlorine, which is formed when electricity passes in aqueous solution of sodium chloride. So dear students, chlorine is used in the production of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder cannot be prepared without chlorine. So chlorine is raw material for making bleaching powder. And students, you know how important bleaching powder is and what is use of bleaching powder. And second point is chlorine is used in the production of hydrochloric acid also. Hydrochloric acid is also prepared by the help of chlorine. For preparing hydrochloric acid, one of the reactant is chlorine. And chlorine is used to make plastics such as polyvinyl chloride, pesticides, chlorofluorocarbons, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, paints and dye stuffs. So this is the usage of chlorine gas. Now uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen is used in the production of HCl gas or hydrochloric acid. For preparing hydrochloric acid, hydrogen gas is also used. And for preparing fertilizers like ammonia, hydrogen gas is also used. And hydrogen is also used to make methanol. Methanol is alcohol and poisonous alcohol. So, hydrogen gas is also used to prepare methanol. Now, washing soda. Chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 into 10H2, and chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. A common name is washing soda. Now, method of preparation of washing soda. Washing soda prepared in 3 steps. Washing soda is prepared from sodium chloride in the following 3 steps. First step is a cold and concentrated solution of sodium chloride is treated with ammonia and carbon dioxide to obtain sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is sodium chloride. When sodium chloride react with ammonia, water and carbon dioxide, then it forms sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride. And then when sodium hydrogen carbonate get heated, then sodium carbonate is also called soda ash. Carbon dioxide and water is formed. So in second step, sodium hydrogen carbonate is separated by filtration, dried and heated. On heating sodium hydrogen carbonate decomposes to form sodium carbonate. This anhydrous sodium carbonate obtained here is called soda ash. And after that, this soda ash reacted with 10 molecule of water, then it forms Na2CO3 and 10H2O. This is sodium carbonate decahydrate, and this is the formula of sodium carbonate decahydrate. Commercially sodium carbonate decahydrate is known washing soda. So dear students, this is very, very important. You must keep in your mind properties of washing soda. Washing soda is a transparent crystalline solid. Washing soda is a transparent crystalline solid. Washing soda is one of the few metal carbonates which are soluble in water. Washing soda is one of the few metal carbonates which are soluble in water. Means metal carbonate is water soluble substances. but very few metal carbonates are soluble in water. And third point is the solution of washing soda in water is alkaline, which turns red litmus to blue. Because dear students, washing soda made from a strong base and weak acid, that is why nature of this compound is basic, that is why this washing soda solution turns red litmus blue. Now, uses of washing soda. Washing soda is used as a cleansing agent for domestic purposes like washing clothes. And second usage of washing soda is to prepare glass, soap and paper. So thank you students. Next important compounds of this chapter I will discuss in next video. Thank you.